Chapter 7 Sarah Hadoff Special Report. Sarah Hadoff Breaking News with Sarah Hadoff. Comic censorship. The emergency alert that could save your freedom, keeping our children safe. Comic Club Chaos. The aftermath. Property destroyed. Long-time member quits and heartbreaking. Sup, I'm Sarah Hadoff, and welcome to my special report. The Cat Kid Comic Club is now in its third week, and tensions are sky high. Tell me, has the recent tension affected you? Yeah. Um, yeah. Okay. Oh! It looks like we have important insight from somebody else. Has the tension infected you yet? I mean, has the tension affected you too? Yeah. How has it affected you? My sister got mad and quit, and now I have to sit all by myself. Why don't you just move over? I can't sit in her seat. Oh dear, this kid needs some cheering up. But how can we help him? I know. What? We can read our new comic to him. Let's do it. Super Phil 3. Goodbye, Cruel World. Kaboom! By Katie, Kip, and Kearney. Previously, this happened. Look what you did. Sorry. Tim's nuclear power plant. Run! It's gonna blow! But don't worry, old lady. I can fix this problem. See? Hey, Super Phil just threw that nuclear power plant into space. Problem solved. Hooray! But then... Kablammers! Oh man, Super Phil just blew up the sun. Things are not Super Phil. Sorry. Brr, it's cold without the sun. I can fix this problem. I'll just start a warm fire. But I must find a safe place. No, look. There's some nice safe firewood. Problem solved. No, you didn't read the whole sign. This is not firewood. It's dynamite. Kaboom! Oh, great. Now the world's on fire. Sorry. I can fix this problem. I fixed it. Yeah, but now the whole world is flooded. Sorry, I can fix this problem. All I need is a giant sponge. Did someone say giant sponge? Yeah. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm a young lady. This is my store, Young Lady Giant Sponges sale. We have a box of instant giant sponge. Just add water. I'll take it. Thanks. Okay. Haha, I'm not really young lady. I'm old lady in disguise. Super Phil's nemesis. And that wasn't a box of instant giant sponges. It was quick drying cement. Instant giant sponges. Oh no, the world is as hard as a rock. And it's cracking. Thanks a lot, Super Phil. Sorry. The end. Okay. So, did that comic cheer you up? No! That was terrible. It was the same thing over and over, and then it just ended. Where's the plot and the character development? Yeah, and how come Super Phil has superpowers? He didn't have them in the first book. Yeah, you never explained. Are you saying that we failed? Yeah, sorry, dude. Hooray! We've been trying to fail for 3 weeks, but we haven't succeeded until today. It just goes to show that if you work really hard and never give up, anybody can fail miserably. I don't think I understand. Join the club, sister. End of chapter 7.